friends, this is Milani Hachunsu. Welcome to my channel, which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing Mamonde that claims that hypoallergenic serum boosts skin vitality and firmness, leaving skin feeling plumper and smoother in just 5 days and a bright radiant glow from within in 14 days. The patented Blossoming Energy formula offers anti-aging benefits using flower extracts. The reason that I bought this serum was that it is free from harmful ingredients like parabens, mineral oil, artificial colorants, and animal ingredients. This serum includes some other ingredients apart from patented ingredient. It has pomegranate, which has lots of vitamin B and C, along with niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, tranexamic acid, beta-glucan, vitamin E, and rosehip. The functions of these ingredients are mentioned on your screens. It comes in this red box that has English and Korean instructions on it. The patented ingredient Blossoming Energy is energy of birth that produces flowers. It is a red gradient glass bottle that has pump. It feels very luxurious, but I'm little afraid of dropping glass bottles. I prefer pumps for my skincare products because it ensures good performance of ingredients. Expiry date is mentioned on the bottom. The cap is sturdy and is made of plastic. The pump feels sturdy as well. The serum is lightweight with consistency thicker than water. It has mild floral scent which isn't overpowering. As I'm spreading, its consistency is getting watery. My skin feels bright and moisturized. Here I am before using this serum. I have very dry skin with dry patches, pores, pimples, blemishes, and pigmentation too on my skin. I have taken a little amount of this serum and applying it on my face after toner. It's absorbing within seconds on my face. It doesn't feel suffocating. It is feeling quite lightweight and hydrating. Don't forget the neck. My skin feels moisturized and hydrated instantly. My skin feels plump as well. It makes skin sticky, which I don't mind because it is a sign of moisturization. After 14 days, my skin is bright as compared to before. My dryness has improved so much. My skin feels plumper as compared to before as well. My pores feel tight to me. And my skin looks so radiant. The rough patches have disappeared completely. I will recommend this serum to everyone. It is a great anti-aging serum and I will rate it 5 by 5. I will be definitely repurchasing it. Bye!